humid jungles of Southeast Asia lives a creature so bizarre, so underestimated, that even seasoned scientists are left stunned when they study it closely. Meet the sun bear, the smallest bear on Earth, but also one of the most mysterious. At first glance, it looks almost comical. Short legs, wrinkled skin, an unusually long tongue, and a crescent-shaped golden mark glowing on its chest like a secret emblem. But behind this strange appearance lies one of the most unpredictable, fierce, and extraordinary animals in the wild. The sun bear, often called the dog bear because of its smaller size and rounded features, may not tower like a grizzly or polar bear. In fact, it's barely the size of a large dog. But don't be fooled by its stature. Pound for pound, the sun bear is one of the strongest mammals in the jungle. It has claws so sharp and powerful that with one swipe, it can shred through hardwood or tear apart a termite mound that would take a human with tools hours to break. Its tongue, up to 20 inches long, is another evolutionary marvel. While most bears are known for eating fish, meat, or berries, the sun bear specializes in devouring honey, insects, and larvae. It rips open a hive, endures hundreds of stings, and then plunges its long, sticky tongue inside to scoop out the prize. Locals tell stories of sun bears raiding bee colonies with such determination that even swarms of angry insects cannot drive them off. That's why it is sometimes called the honey bear of the jungle. Yet food is only part of the story. What makes the sun bear so shocking is its unpredictable aggression. Despite its small size, it is feared even by animals much larger than itself. Farmers and poachers who have encountered a cornered sun bear describe it as a whirlwind of violence, slashing with claws, biting with bone-crushing force, and charging relentlessly. Unlike other bears that often bluff or try to avoid conflict, the sun bear does not hesitate. Its attack is immediate, explosive, and terrifying. This reputation has earned it a place in local folklore as a jungle demon wrapped in fur. But why such ferocity? Some scientists believe it comes from living in a world of constant danger. In the dense rainforests, threats lurk everywhere: clouded leopards, tigers, and even humans. For a small bear, the only survival strategy is to fight like hell. Over time, evolution carved the sun bear into a creature that responds to threats not with flight, but with overwhelming fury. And then there is the chest patch, a bright crescent of golden or orange fur that no two sun bears share exactly the same. Some believe this symbol evolved as a warning signal to predators, like a badge of ferocity. In local myths, the crescent is seen as a mark from the sun itself, a divine brand that gives the bear its name and power. Hunters used to claim that even wounded sun bears refused to die quietly, fighting until their last breath, a behavior that only strengthened the belief that these animals carried supernatural energy. Beyond myth and folklore, the sun bear hides other mysteries. Recent studies suggest it may be far more intelligent than previously thought. In captivity, sun bears have been seen using their paws and jaws with startling precision, manipulating objects, opening latches, and even mimicking facial expressions, a rare trait among non-primates. Some researchers were stunned to find that sun bears can copy the expressions of their companions with uncanny accuracy, hinting at a deeper social intelligence hidden behind their solitary lifestyle. And yet, for all their power and strangeness, sun bears remain elusive. They live high in the canopy, climbing with ease despite their bulk, disappearing into the foliage like shadows. They can vanish silently into the green maze of the jungle, leaving behind only the shredded bark of trees and the broken remains of hives. This elusive nature has made them incredibly difficult to study, and even today, many aspects of their lives remain a mystery. Perhaps the most shocking fact is how little humans truly know about them. While giant pandas have entire conservation empires and polar bears dominate documentaries, the sun bear slips through the cracks of global awareness. It is the forgotten bear, a living relic of an ancient lineage that diverged millions of years ago. Charles Darwin himself once marveled at the endless variety of life, writing, From so simple a beginning, endless forms most beautiful and most wonderful have been, and are being, evolved. The sun bear is one of those wonders, strange, powerful, overlooked, but no less remarkable than its more famous cousins. But the truth is dark. The sun bear is now one of the most threatened bears on Earth. Its forests are falling to chainsaws, replaced by palm oil plantations. Poachers kill them for bile and paws, feeding the illegal wildlife trade. Cubs are stolen and sold as exotic pets, only to grow into uncontrollable adults. Each year, their numbers shrink, and with them vanishes one of nature's most extraordinary survival stories. Yet despite this tragedy, the sun bear embodies resilience. Even in fragmented forests, even in regions scarred by logging, these little giants cling to survival. They are nature's defiance made flesh, proof that size is not the measure of power. Like the honey badger of the African plains, the sun bear teaches us that ferocity, adaptability, and courage can turn weakness into dominance. So the next time you imagine a bear, don't think only of grizzlies roaming rivers or polar bears hunting across ice. Think of the forgotten warrior of the jungle, small, fierce, unpredictable, and glowing with the mark of the sun on its chest. The sun bear is a reminder that the wild still holds secrets more shocking than fiction, and that sometimes the smallest warriors are the most unforgettable. Don't miss another mind-blowing revelation from the animal kingdom. Hit that subscribe button, share this incredible story, and prepare for more savage jungle secrets.